Hot and cool solenoid testing in air conditioner. Hot and cool air conditioners has 4-way valve to change refrigeration cycle. It is situated at the outdoor unit. Let's understand how to check its working. Select the hot mode through remote. The display will show HT. Now check the AC voltage on the valve coil. It should be 230 volts. If supply is available, then remove the terminal and check the resistance value in the terminal. It should be in between 2 kilo ohms to 4 kilo ohms.